If your loved one has just been diagnosed with diabetes or returned home from the hospital, and you suddenly find yourself as their primary caregiver, it's normal to feel overwhelmed, but you're not alone. And this 5-minute guide will walk you through the 5 essential tips every caregiver must know to support someone with diabetes at home. First, understand the condition. Diabetes isn't just about sugar, it's about managing blood glucose levels to prevent serious complications. Whether it's type 1, where the body produces little or no insulin, or type 2, where the body struggles to use insulin effectively, the mission is the same: keep blood sugar within a safe range. Learn to recognize the signs of high blood sugar like fatigue, frequent urination, and blurry vision and low blood sugar, which can show up as dizziness, sweating, confusion, or even fainting. Every caregiver should have a diabetes emergency kit ready with glucose tablets, snacks like juice or candy, a glucometer, insulin supplies, and contact info for their doctor. Tip 2 is mastering the diabetes-friendly plate. And don't worry, it's not about cutting out all carbs or banning sugar entirely. It's about smart, balanced choices. Use the diabetes plate method. Fill half the plate with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers, 1/4 with lean proteins like grilled chicken or tofu, and the remaining quarter with complex carbs like sweet potatoes, quinoa, or brown rice. Encourage hydration with water, herbal teas, or unsweetened drinks, and watch out for sneaky added sugars even in foods labeled healthy. Avoid processed snacks, sugary sodas, and refined carbs that spike blood sugar fast. Tip 3 is all about routine diabetes management, thrives on consistency. Help your loved one create and stick to a schedule for meals, medications, exercise, and blood sugar checks. Use alarms, sticky notes, a calendar, or a phone app, whatever works. Blood sugar is less likely to fluctuate wildly when meals and insulin are taken at the same times every day. Tip 4. Keep them moving safely. Physical activity is incredibly important for people with diabetes because it helps control blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. But it needs to be done mindfully. Suggest daily walks, chair exercises, light stretching, or yoga, anything that gets the body gently moving. Encourage them to check their blood sugar before and after exercise, and always keep fast-acting carbs nearby in case of hypoglycemia. And don't forget to make it fun. Put on some music and dance together, or walk outdoors to make it a bonding experience. Finally, tip 5, care for their emotional health. Diabetes can feel like a full-time job and can lead to frustration, fear, anxiety, and even depression. Be patient when they're irritable, listen when they feel discouraged, and encourage them to seek emotional support through therapy or diabetes support groups. Ask open-ended questions like, "How are you really feeling?" and create space for honest conversations without judgment. As a caregiver, you might feel burnt out too, and that's okay. Caregiving is rewarding, but it's also exhausting. Make sure you're setting boundaries, taking breaks, and asking for help when needed. You don't have to do this alone. So let's quickly recap. Tip 1, know the basics of diabetes and prepare for emergencies. Tip 2, learn how to build a balanced, diabetes-friendly plate. Tip 3, stick to a daily routine for food, meds, and activity. Tip 4, encourage gentle, regular movement. And tip 5, don't ignore emotional well-being. You're not just keeping track of numbers, you're helping someone live better, stronger, and longer. Every meal you prep, every reminder you give, every walk you take together, those little moments matter more than you think. And even if you're not a doctor, your care, support, and presence are absolutely essential. You've got this. If this video helped you feel more confident about caregiving, give it a like, leave a comment below sharing your journey, and subscribe Care Loves for simpler, science-backed caregiver guides that empower you to care with compassion and clarity.